So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn your computer off from the power button and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. And then on the 4th time when you turn it on, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will now take us to here. And now once you're on here, for the 3rd step, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. If you do not see Startup Settings, then you want to click on CM Recovery Options. Then it's going to appear right here. So you want to click on Startup Settings, and then click on Restart, which will now take us to here. Now we're going to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, wait for this to load. And then once we're on safe mode, we're just going to close out of this. Now we're going to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now under here, you're going to be having 2 graphics cards. One of them is going to be Intel, and you're going to have another dedicated one, which is either going to be NVIDIA or AMD. We're going to disable the dedicated one, which is going to be either NVIDIA or AMD. On my computer, I've only got one right here, but in your case, you want to disable the dedicated one, which is going to be saying either NVIDIA or AMD. So once you find that one, you want to right click on it, and then click on Disable Device. And then click on Yes. And then once you've disabled it, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.